Hello and welcome to HW News. Almost a year and 2 months after the abrogation of Article 370 and splitting the state of Jammu and Kashmir into two union territories, the Modi government has issued another notice that has resulted in uneasiness in the valley politics. These rules relate to the land rights in Jammu and Kashmir, which had in the past been criticized by the right wing and several BJP leaders. As the party came into power once again in 2019 with a complete majority, it moved to act on what it called the solution for the Kashmir issue. We will talk about the new notification and what it means for the land rights in the valley. What was the previous law governing land rights in the state? We will know about that first. It was Article 35A that governed the land rights in the then state of Jammu and Kashmir. The article defined who is permanent resident and the rights of permanent resident. According to it, non-residents of Jammu and Kashmir could not buy an immovable property in the state. That meant no outsider could purchase any land in the state. Now let's talk about what exactly are the new land rules. Now these new rules allow Indian citizens from outside the Jammu and Kashmir to purchase land in the Union Territory. In a Gazette notification of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, Reorganization, Adaptation of Central Laws, 3rd Order 2020, the Union Government omitted the phrase permanent resident of the state from Section 17 of the Jammu and Kashmir Development Act, which deals with disposal of the land in the Union Territory. Now the most important question, who all can buy land in Jammu and Kashmir? As per the notification issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs, no domicile or permanent residence certificate is required for purchasing non-agricultural land in Jammu and Kashmir. The rules also do not impose restrictions on the quantum of area for building a residence or a shop as it exists in certain states including Himachal Pradesh. However, agricultural land can only be purchased by agriculturists or people engaged in farm-related activities. Agricultural land can be sold, repurposed with government approval. The government, however, has said that some protection of land will be there for the agricultural land. Agricultural land will not be given to anybody, but if someone wants to set up an industry, they will have to be given land. That will be done through industrial parks, and for industrial areas, the government said that they want that industry should come to Jammu and Kashmir like other parts of the country so that development can take place and youth can get employment. Now this is what Manoj Sinha, Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, said. Now experts feel that technically the government has opened all the land for being able to be sold. How is it possible? Apparently, through Section 133H in the Agrarian Reforms Act, the centre has completely barred the sale of agricultural land to non-agriculturists, but it has provided for several situations under which the sale can still happen. In amendments to laws, it is said that no person shall transfer land to any person other than the government or its agencies and instrumentalities. It has also, however, said that nothing shall prohibit the transfer of ownership of land for contract farming or grant of lease or mortgage for loan, meaning the agricultural land can still be transferred with the government's approval. According to the rules, no sale, gift, exchange or mortgage of any land will be valid in favor of a person who is not an agriculturist unless the government or an officer authorized by it in this behalf may grant permission for the same. So this technically means that once the permission is granted by the government, the agricultural land can also be sold, gifted or mortgaged with specified terms. As per the rules, although agricultural land cannot be used for non-agricultural purposes in the normal circumstances, it however can be done with prior permission from the government. Now let's talk about land for strategic purposes. The new rules also state that the government may, on the written request of an army officer not below the rank of corps commander, declare an area as strategic area within local area, and this land can be used for direct operational and training requirements of the armed forces. This area will have to be declared and the government may satisfy itself about the reasons cited for declaring the area a strategic area and will have such area notified accordingly with such conditions as may be required. This is what the new rules say. Now, what was the reaction of politicians in the valley? Senior National Conference leader and former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah said that the announcement was unacceptable and asserted that Jammu and Kashmir was not up for sale. He said, unacceptable amendments to the land ownership laws of Jammu and Kashmir. Even the tokenism of domicile has been done away with when purchasing non-agricultural land, and transfer of agricultural land has been made easier. Jammu and Kashmir is now up for sale and the poorer, small land holding owners will suffer. This is what Omar Abdullah tweeted. PDP president called it a move of putting the land in Jammu and Kashmir for sale. She said that yet another step that is part of Government of India's nefarious designs to disempower and disenfranchise people of Jammu and Kashmir. From the unconstitutional scrapping of Article 370 to facilitating loot of our natural resources and finally putting land in Jammu and Kashmir up for sale. This is what Mehbooba Mufti tweeted. The newly formed alliance of 6 major mainstream political parties in Jammu and Kashmir, which is known as People's Alliance of Gupkar Declaration, also reacted. It said that the unconstitutional measure is clearly designed as an attempt to preempt the outcome of the challenge before the Supreme Court. The assault on exclusive property rights apart, changes in urban development laws and creation of security zones is bound to prejudicially affect the environment and ecosystem in environmentally fragile regions of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh in utter disregard of the grave environmental concern. Now, this is what the declaration said. So, this is what the situation is right now in the valley. Well, what happens next? That we have to see. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
Wasn't Shiv Sena treated badly?
I'll put it otherwise. Whether Shiv Sena treated BJP correctly or not. The legal issues have tried to help the government, which was Devendra Fadnavis government. The alliance politics, working with Pramod Mahajan and Gopinath Munde, working with Nitin Gadkari, getting an opportunity to go on very infrastructure development project. So, working under the leadership of Amit Bhai, Narendra Modi, all these things. Of course, yes, I cannot say that I'm nobody. I am the major stuff. I can claim so. Absolutely, the statement which was given by Kangana Ranaut, I was not agreeable to it. Not once, I gave it twice a statement.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Wasn't Shiv Sena treated badly?
I'll put it otherwise. Whether Shiv Sena treated BJP correctly or not. The legal issues have tried to help the government, which was Devendra Fadnavis government. The alliance politics, working with Pramod Mahajan and Gopinath Munde, working with Nitin Gadkari, getting an opportunity to go on very infrastructure development project. So, working under the leadership of Amit Bhai, Narendra Modi, all these things. Of course, yes, I cannot say that I'm nobody. I am the major stuff. I can claim so. Absolutely, the statement which was given by Kangana Ranaut, I was not agreeable to it. Not once, I gave it twice a statement.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.